Okay, so the article goes on to talk about music, and it says, it is no exaggeration to say that American popular music conquered the world in the 20th century. The list is impressive: ragtime, blues, jazz, big band swing, country western, rhythm and blues, rock and roll, hip hop, and rap. All of these forms of music have swept across the globe, most recently through international systems of music distribution established by MTV stations and internet downloads. There is little point in reeling off a list of internationally famous American music stars. There wouldn't be room for all of them on this page. The really interesting thing about this phenomena is that it long ago grew beyond its roots and became international in its scope. Note that America lacks important composers, directors, musicians, and symphony orchestras. It need not bow to anyone in quality and quantity. Classical music thrives in the United States, but it still cannot hold a candle to the scope and power of its popular music. Once again, the genius of American culture lies in its close connection to average citizens who make up its population, to their common touch and common taste. Okay, so on this slide, we're going to take a look at a compilation of 2020 music hits put together by DJ Earworm, who originally from San Francisco, now in Los Angeles. And every year he puts together a compilation, a mashup of the music of that year. And it kind of creates its own song within itself, too. So let's take a look at DJ Earworm's uh, America Pop 2020. Okay, from sfis.com out of San Francisco, a website. Here's an article uh, about 2020 music mashup. And it's created by DJ Earworm, uh, also known as Jordan Roseman. And he was once a fixture around the San Francisco club scene and has relocated to Los Angeles, where every year, I think probably for the past 10 years or more, he's taken the pop songs of that year and puts them together in a real condensed version, actually creating a song in it of itself. So this is 2020's top 25 pop hits, and it's always a feature of technical mashup brilliance. He really does a great job with these here. So they talk a little bit about the year 2020 for in terms of popular music, and they say even though this was a year that the music died, at least in terms of live shows and festivals, Taylor Swift still found time to write and record two albums. Doja Cat came into her own and won Best New Artist. And pop stations played The Weeknd's Blinding Lights on repeat every 10 to 15 minutes. So this mashup of the songs of 2020 is a little over 3 minutes. We're going to take a look at that video. but it includes some of the artists, Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish, BTS, Cardi B, Da Baby, Justin Bieber, Doja Cat, Drake, uh, Dua Lipa, Gabby Barrett, Harry Styles, Jack Harlow, Jason Derulo, Lady Gaga, Louis Cap- Capadal, Capadal, I don't know that guy. Anyway, um, let's take a look at this music video, a mashup of the popular songs of the year 2020.